Jeremy with Front Row Negative, here with another unboxing, this time of the 2019 Funko Funday Box of Fun. This is one of 3 unboxings we have for this channel. Hopefully we all get something different. To be honest, I wasn't going to get this, but then I saw the tube that it came in and I had to get it. Started seeing some of the releases and I'm really hoping I get the Joker Funko. It just looks really cool, and probably the Dino, but let's pop into this thing and see what we got. Alright. And well, first things off the bat, we have a messed up sticker. Not applied properly. Don't like that. And here we are with the tube that made me buy this thing. I just think it looks really cool. It'd be a nice little thing to set up in the corner or something. Looks like it's just a little pop top to pull off. See what we got. And first one's first. Surfer Freddy. You know, it looks pretty cool. I'm okay with this one. I'll give y'all a little closer look on it. And it's a 6,000 piece Freddy. Next one is Freddy as the Merman. That one's kind of cool. That one's kind of cool. 5,000 piece Freddy. I'm digging it. I like that one. I think that's what my buddy Aaron was looking at. He was really wanting that one. And last but not least, Elwood. And as far as I know, I believe that this box, not the pop, but this box lights up in the dark. So I don't know why they wouldn't make the pop glow in the dark too, but 3,000 piece Elwood. Well, it's okay. I'm alright with it. Little disappointed. I really wanted that Joker one. The Joker one looked really cool. And I could probably trade the Elwood for Dino. But yeah, I'm okay with this box. Glad I got it. Elwood, 3,000 piece Elwood. The Merman Freddy, kind of cool. I like that one probably the best. And regular Surfer Freddy. You know, I enjoyed it. Biggest pet peeve, misplaced sticker. I mean, come on, Funko, get your stuff together. Well, that's it for me on the Funko Funday unboxing. We still have 2 more to go, and hope you enjoyed.